Okay, hello, my first graders. So, today is our very first math lesson online. And today, here is our objective. Our objective is we will represent and solve addition story problems and determine if addition equations are true. Okay, so let's get started. So remember last week, we were talking a little bit about story problems, where I would tell you a story, you would draw me a picture. And we came to the conclusion that we can use circles. We can use circles for our drawings, and it saves us time and it's easier. Because remember last week, we drew pictures of playgrounds and it took a while. But then when we drew just circles, it didn't take as long. So we're going to do some more practicing of just drawing circles for our drawings today. So, and remember when we did circle drawing, here's my whiteboard. You're going to be seeing it probably more than my face right now. So we always have a line down, and then I'm going to use a similar story that we used in class last week. So we were going to a picnic, and 3 people were riding bicycles. So instead of drawing bicycles, I can draw 3 circles. So 1, 2, 3. And then I write how many there are up at the top. So I have 3. And I'm going to write it on the other side because it is backwards for you. So remember, have 3 over here. All right, let's try this again. So I have 3 here. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we had 3 bicycles go to a picnic, and then 2 people walked to the picnic. So I started out with 3 people that rode bicycles to a picnic, and then 2 more walked to the picnic. So 1, 2. And let's see if I can draw 2. All right, and 2 walked to the picnic. Oh, I kind of gave the answer away to you, but what does this middle line, the straight line up and down, mean again? Think, what does that mean again? Oh yeah, that means plus. All right, so I have 3 plus, actually I'm gonna write it this way. So what I want to know is how many people came to the picnic all together. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5 came all together. Okay, let's see if I can hand it right to 5 backwards. All right, 5 people came all together to the picnic. Okay, we're going to be doing this a lot more today. So I'm going to go ahead and erase my board. And then I'm going to go ahead and give you 1 minute to hurry and go grab a piece of paper and a pencil. So you need a piece of paper and a pencil. And let me time you. Ready, set, go. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil. We're grabbing a piece of paper and a pencil. Piece of paper and a pencil. Just a few more seconds here. And while I'm teaching you this math lesson, you might hear some noise in the background, and that's just my baby. So I apologize for that. All right, let's get started. Take your paper and pencil. Okay, so your very first story. This is what your first story says. Okay, I have 4 shirts. I have 4 shirts. You have 2 shirts. So I have 4 shirts and you have 2 shirts. How many shirts do we have all together? So I have 4 shirts, you have 2 shirts. How many do we have all together? Okay, let's do this one together and then I'll let you try one on your own. All right, so first, how many shirts did I have? I forgot already. Oh, yeah, if I think about it, I remember that I have 4 shirts. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 shirts. Okay. Oops. I'm going to draw my line down. And I'm writing backwards so you look straight to you. So, on the other side. All right, I have 4 shirts. And how many did you have again? Oh, yeah, you had 2 shirts. So 1, 2. And you had 2 shirts. So I had 4 shirts and you had 2 shirts. So how many shirts do we have all together? Think about it. Think about how many do we have all together? All right, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do we have all together? We have 6 all together. Okay, so we have 6 shirts all together. Remember, this is my total amount. Okay, and remember, I didn't draw shirts, but I drew circles to show my shirts. All right, are you ready to try one on your own? Here we go. Get your paper and pencil ready. I'm going to have you try one on your own. Okay. Miguel makes 5 gingerbread men. Miguel makes 5 gingerbread men. Maria makes 4 gingerbread men. Maria makes 4 gingerbread men. How many do they make all together? So please draw me a circle drawing on your paper to show this story. And I will read it for you one more time. So Miguel makes 5 gingerbread men. Maria makes 4 gingerbread men. How many do they make all together? And I'm going to give you a minute to do this on your own paper before we do it together. So go ahead and get started. And while you're doing that, I'm going to erase my board. Alright, I'll read it for you one more time. So Miguel makes 5 gingerbread men. Miguel makes 5 gingerbread men. Maria makes 4 gingerbread men. Maria makes 4 gingerbread men. How many do they make in all? Or how many do they make all together? Go ahead and have a few more seconds to try it out on your own. And then I'm going to do it here on my board. All right, let's do it together. Oh, how many gingerbread men did Miguel make? Think in my mind. Oh, yeah, he made 5 gingerbread men. So first I'm going to draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to write 5 up here. Okay. Plus, oops, not that part yet. Silly Mrs. Lefevre. Okay, and then Maria makes how many again? How many gingerbread men does Maria make? Oh yeah, Maria makes 4 gingerbread men. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. All right. So we need to write a 4 up here. All right. So Miguel makes 5 gingerbread men. Maria makes 4 gingerbread men. So think in your mind right now, how many do they make all together? Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do they make all together? 9. 9 gingerbread men. Okay. Oh, sorry. My 9 is backwards. 9 gingerbread men. Okay. So check that on your paper, and then we're going to do one more. All right, I'm going to go ahead and erase my board up here. All right, let's do another one. So, let's see. I draw 7 pictures of animals. Okay, I draw 7 pictures of animals. Then I draw 3 pictures of houses. So I draw 7 pictures of animals. Then I draw 3 pictures of houses. How many pictures do I draw in all? Okay, I'm going to give you another minute. Go ahead and try it out on your own paper first. Ready? Go ahead and begin. So remember, I draw 7 pictures of animals, and then I draw 3 pictures of houses. Draw me a circle drawing to show how many I draw in all. And I'm going to give you a minute to do that on your own. Try it out on your own. Few more seconds. All right, let's do it together. How many pictures of animals did I draw again? Think in my mind. Oh yeah, I drew 7 pictures of animals. So I need to draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I'm gonna put a 7 up here. Draw my line down. And so I drew 7 pictures of animals. How many pictures of houses did I draw? I have to think in my mind. How many pictures of houses did I draw? Oh yeah, I drew 3 pictures of houses. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I put a 3 up there. So now I have to remember, what's this middle line mean again? Oh yeah, it means plus. So put a plus up here. And I want to know how many I have in all. So let's count that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 pictures in all. Okay. Did I write that right? Nope. Got it right backwards. Okay, so I have 10 pictures in all. Okay, go ahead and get that written down on your paper. All right, I'm going to erase my board again. Now we're going to learn 2 new vocabulary words. Okay, the first word is true. Okay, First word is true. So think in your own mind. And of course, Mrs. Lefevre wrote that the wrong direction. First word is true. Hold on. All right. Gotta write it backwards. There you go. Now it looks right to you. Okay, the first word is true. So think in your own mind. What do you think the word true means? Okay, if something is true, it means it's right. It's correct. It's the way it is. So if I have the math equation 1 plus 2, that equals 3. Okay, so that is true. Okay, so this math equation is true, means it is correct. Okay, our next word is false. Okay, so false. Oops. False. Sorry, Mrs. Lefevre struggling to write backwards. All right, here we go. L. And we have false. Okay. And false. Remember, true means something, if something's true, it means it's correct. It's right. False, what do you think false means then? False means opposite. It means it is not true. It is not right. So false would be if someone said that I'm teaching this lesson to you in the classroom, because I'm not. I'm teaching it to you online. That would be a false statement. Or if I use the same math equation, 2 plus 1 equals 3, that's true. But if I wrote it like this, if I wrote 1 plus 2 equals 4, 1 plus 2 equals 4, 1 plus 2 equals 4, this is not correct. This is a false statement. Okay, so we're going to be focusing on those for a little bit now. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this now. All right, erase my board. And we're looking at true and false statements now. So we're going to do some more of these stories. So here you go. We'll do this together. There are 5 children playing soccer. So there are 5 children playing soccer. I'm going to stop right there and draw that. Okay. So there are 5 children playing soccer. How many? You're right, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 children playing soccer. Okay. Remember, this line means plus. Then let's find out what else. Then 3 more children come. So we have 5 children playing soccer. 3 more come and play. So 1, 2, 3. We're going to write 3 over here. Okay, so there are 5 children playing soccer, and then 3 more children come. Now 8 children are playing soccer. Okay, now 8 children are playing soccer. Okay, now this is where we want to stop, and we want to check to make sure if that is a true statement or a false statement. So look at this. Let's count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 there, and there's an 8 here. So ask yourself, is this a true statement? Is it a true statement? 5 plus 3 equals 8. Yes, you are correct. This would be a true statement. Okay, this one is a true statement. All right, let's go to the next. Let's do one more, and then you'll be ready for your assignment today. All right. So I want you to do this one on your own. So I'm going to read it to you and then draw it on your paper. Okay. There are 4 cars in the parking lot. Okay, there are 4 cars in the parking lot. Then 3 more cars come. So there are 4 cars in the parking lot, and then 3 more cars come. How many cars are in the parking lot? So how many cars do I have all together? So I have 4 cars in the parking lot, and then 3 more come. How many cars do I have all together in the parking lot? And I'm going to go ahead and give you about a minute to draw this picture. So draw me a picture using circle drawings. And I'll give you about a minute. And I'm going to read it for you one more time. There are 4 cars in the parking lot, and then 3 more cars join them. How many cars are there all together in the parking lot? Draw me a picture using circle drawings, and then we'll draw it here on the board together. Draw me a picture using circle drawings. All right, let's do it together now on the board. Okay, so how many cars did start out in the parking lot? God, think about that for a second. How many? Oh yeah, 4 started out in the parking lot. So let's draw 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, we're laying down. And then how many joined them? Oh yeah, you're right. 3 more joined them. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now we need to ask this question. We want to know how many there are altogether in the parking lot. But part of the question I forgot to tell you is that there are 8 cars in the parking lot. Okay? There are 8 cars in the parking lot. Now we need to decide, is this a true statement or a false statement? Well, let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 cars in the parking lot. So is this a true or a false statement? True or false statement? Oh, you are correct. It is a false statement. Okay? It is a false statement. Oops, right here. False statement. False statement. Okay. I said this was gonna be the last one, but let's try one more. All right, we'll do this one quickly. And then it'll be time for your assignment. Board wants to fall over. Okay, one more. There are 6 giraffes marching down the street. So there are 6 giraffes marching down the street. Then 4 more giraffes come. Okay, so there are 6 giraffes marching down the street. And then 4 more giraffes come. Now there are 10 giraffes. So we need to figure out if this is a true statement or not. So how many giraffes did I start out with? Oh yeah, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, started out with 6 giraffes. Okay, and then how many more joined them? Started out with 6, and oh yeah, you're right, 4 more joined them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Put right 4 here. Remember, this sign means plus. And I was told that there are 10 giraffes altogether. Let's see, do you guys think that's correct? Let's check together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So is this a true or a false statement? You are correct. It is a true statement. Okay. It's a true statement. All right. Next, we are to the end of our lesson. So next, click on the green button that says next, and it will take you to your math assignment for today. I can't wait until our next lesson together. Talk to you later.